all. I hope you all are very well and safe with your family. Myself Ankita Majithia. Today I am going to teach you healthy food and junk food. We eat food to live and grow. What is healthy food? Healthy food gives us loads of energy to work and play. Healthy food makes us strong, right? Okay. Now what is junk food? Junk food is unhealthy food. We don't get energy from junk food. Eating too much junk food is not good for our health. Right? Okay. Now I will show you a pictures of healthy food. Milk. Milk gives us calcium. You have to drink milk every day. Next is nuts. Nuts like almond, cashew nuts, pista. These all are nuts. Next is juice. Fresh juice. Fresh juice are very healthy for our body. Now next is vegetables. Vegetables like brinjal, cabbage, cauliflower, potato. Right? We can eat vegetables either raw or cooked. Next is fruits. Fruits are very healthy. Fruits gives us vitamins and minerals. We should eat fruits daily. Now I will show you picture of junk food. Pizza. Do you like pizza? Yes. Okay. Noodles. My favorite. Okay. Next one. Soft drinks. Okay. Ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Yes. Okay. Next is burger. I know you all love to eat junk food, but these are unhealthy. We should not eat junk food daily. Hey children, this is Rahul and this is Dewang. Rahul always like to eat healthy food like paratha, roti sabji, dal rice, vegetables, fruits, nuts. And Diva likes to eat junk food. Yes, Diva likes pizza, pasta, noodles, soft drink. After few days, Rahul will become healthy and strong. And Diva will become sick and tired. What would you like to eat? Yes, we would like to eat healthy food. Now, I will show you a small video of healthy food and junk food.
What is it? It's broccoli. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's burger. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's tomato. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's meat. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's banana. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's pizza. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's soya milk. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's ice cream. Oops, it's unhealthy. What is it? It's orange juice. Yay! It's healthy. What is it? It's soft drink. Oops, it's unhealthy. Diet choice. Think before you eat.
Kids, these are junk food. It's a term for food containing high levels of calories from sugar and fat with less protein, vitamins or minerals. Excess calories from fast food meals can cause weight gain. This may lead towards obesity. So kids, think before you eat. Kids, these are healthy food. Having a healthy lifestyle, eating well and being physically active helps you to build strong bones, grow and develop healthily, improves your concentration at school, maintain a healthy weight, helps you to be alert and active. So kids, eating these food will make you strong and healthy.
Thank you.
I hope you all understood concept of healthy food and junk food. Bye bye children. Take care.